This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Medium and creating or signing into your account, then start a new story right away. Write a focused headline that signals value and draft the first 200 to 300 words to establish momentum. As you type, use short paragraphs and a clear opener that answers why the reader should keep reading. Once done, insert a cover image and add tags. Make sure to save a draft and preview how the title looks in the feed before moving on. You now focus on structure and depth. Organize your article with H2 headings to guide readers and use bullet lists for clarity. This improves skimmability. Add images, embed tweets or links to credible sources, and use code blocks or quotes when needed to highlight examples. Once done, craft a compelling subtitle and sprinkle internal links to your other posts to boost engagement. Make sure to assign 3 to 5 accurate tags so Medium places your story in the right reader streams. You're ready to publish. Pick a time that matches your audience activity and submit to relevant publications if you can. After publishing, immediately share the link to Twitter, LinkedIn, or newsletters to jumpstart reads. Track stats in Medium's analytics and respond to early comments to increase visibility. If views stay low, revise the headline, update tags, and re-promote. Additionally, re-edit the first 2 paragraphs for clarity and repost. This fixes discoverability issues and often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.